because it's loud out there. Hey guys, Ryan the Lion here. This is another vlog. It's Bonfire. Well, it's a day after Bonfire night, but I was up, Dad. So, oh, fireworks going off.
Turn light off in there, and you'll be able to see them.
Yeah, my foul anyway. Look at that. So yeah, it's a day after. Sorry, it's the day after Bonfire night because I was at my dad's. So yeah, we're here now. I'm recording it now, so you probably won't see me now. So yeah, let's get into it. What?
Look here.
Yeah.
Smell like pepper.
Saved your life then from these. Just chuck them all in there and pick them all up. Sparkles. It's too hot. Let's see. Woo! Woo! It scared me then. Move around here a bit.
Ryan.
Sorry. Just move. Oh, something there. It's a lid. Yep, solid. Black. Sorry guys about that. Let's look at the fire for a bit. Ah, did you just throw something then?
It's all me. I'll break it up there.
Well, you're up on YouTube today. Say hi. Yeah, he's not in a very good mood. Come on, Daddy! Ooh. Yeah, my arms are hurting. Oh, another one. Yeah, I'm off up here because that scared me to death. Every dog in the neighbourhood. The dogs are in there. That hurt my ears. Sorry guys if that hurt yours. Nee! Whatever. Baby, good one. Pardon you, Mark. You. Guys, here's my pumpkin. Mine is the only one that's not lit. It says Dan, TDM, exclamation mark. That's Oscar's. Same as. No help, Amy's. I feel proud of her. I should put my phone on there, but it won't work. I'm just standing on the decking. So guys, it's really dark, but it's not. It won't work if it's day. Very what? Why? Yeah. I was running. It's so loud. I need to move the table in a minute. Oh my god. It's school tomorrow as well. How am I supposed to get up here? 9 o'clock. Come on. Change his hand. Right. Mum, I need to move the table so I can get a better shot, but I can't. I've seen Oscar's anyway, it's really glowing. Right, not yet, Nanny. I'm off over here instead. Oh, moving everywhere.
Oh, Ryan.
What?
Do you want me to be like your damn TDM one?
Yes, please. I don't think you'd want to now, though. Excuse me, Mark. Thank you. We're over there, by the way. You can get a glimpse of it now.
I thought that was any went.
I couldn't see out then. I blinked. Was that it? Was that it? Right, Mum, can you relight my fire? Jamie? Oh my God! Pass that for me. Look at that, guys! Look at that, it's made a hole in my daddy's pot! Jesus! Look, it's gone over the light! This is my mum just taking a picture. Oh my God, look! Look at that crack by a firework!
For a freebie.
Poor Nanny.
Can I have the torch, love?
Yeah, sorry.
Poor Nanny.
Oh my God, a hole by a firework, guys! I want to do that in a house then, especially with that. Oh, that's not. Oh my God, you should use that on the Nazis. Should have used that on the Nazi side, should we? Shouldn't we? Stupid Nazis. Look at that! I can't believe it made the hole. Solid bricks. Right, I'm choosing the next fireworks.
Hang on a minute.
Oscar,
put them in the box, please.
Oscar, can you pick that one next?
No, I'm going to pick them.
It's a bit of tragedy. Concerning. Show me. What?
Where?
It says top. It says top. How did you do that? It even said top. Mum, the reason why it exploded is because she put it upside down. It even said top on the top. Oh, another firework. Run over to my stand.
It's gone out. Oh. Yeah, it's gone out. Not a lot left of it. It's gone out.
Come on, Nanny.
Are you sat on the stills? That didn't last long.
What's that fire? I'm off to end this video in 10 minutes. So, in 2 minutes. Because I want it to end in 10 minutes. On 10 minutes. I'm getting confused. Who's turned that light on? Who turned that light on?
Me.
Turn it off.
No.
I will then. Oh, shut the door. Lovely little Jack. Another one. Oh! Look at that! I saw the rocket as well. Yep, there goes the dogs. My fingers are gold. It's well dark. Well, it looks purple. Let's see what you're picking. What are you picking? Ooh, there's have to be loads coming out now. Right, I've next picked.
I'm going to get loads of mine.
What pick? Don't know. 1 minute. Another torch. Another one. Shut the door. Go outside. Ah! Gonna blow.
They're great.
Good. It's
I
gonna-
like what
Number one.
That's amazing.
Oh no, that's mine.
I like the ones that we're doing.
Oh, smoke is getting in there. Right, guys, that is it for my vlog today.
You know the ones that went through?
Sorry. Oscar, can you just shine the torch at me? A minute.
You do the big ones.
Right.
If you do, you need to put like 2 at once.
A minute. So, guys, that's going to be the end of my video. Oscar, hold it. Hold it. And press the square button.
Wait!
Press the square button.